हाय, मेरा नाम है अदिति। आप सुन रहे हो काइपन अदिति। दिस इज़ माय मार्च मैराथन। न्यू एपिसोड विल कम every single day. I do hope you tune in 7 p.m. Indian Standard Time. आज हम बात कर रहे हैं टेलर स्विफ्ट एंड ट्रैविस केल्सी के बारे में, बिकॉज जब मैं ये लिख रही थी तब ये एक्चुअली घटनाएं घट रही थी. मतलब while I was writing, this was the present day moment for me and the feelings were very intense, and so I thought to talk about it. There is no hate against them, I know. I pehle to just a disclaimer, I am a huge fan of Taylor Swift, but there are moments where I actually feel the jealousy, the rage. आई वो भी अगेंस्ट टेलर स्विफ्ट. तो मैं क्वेश्चन करने लगी कि क्यों ऐसा क्यों हो रहा है. सी, टेलर स्विफ्ट is dating Travis Kelce. They are often seen together out and about, showing up for each other, especially during this week. ये जो week था वो week में she won the Grammy. I think she won 2 Grammys, and the guy Travis Kelce, he won the Super Bowl, and it's a huge deal in America, especially. It's a huge deal. Super Bowl is a huge freaking event of the year for them, and so for both of those events to happen in a single week was a lot, even for social media to handle. I love Taylor. I love her music. Reputation was one of my favorite album, but I also love her earlier work as well. I'm just a fan. I'm just another fan, and she's also coming out with another album, and I'm excited to check it out. Recently, I found myself being jealous of Taylor Swift. आई नो मैं क्या बोल रही हूँ, मैं क्या बात कर रही हूँ. शी इज़ multi-billionaire probably. She's also one in a billion. She has worked her fucking ass off to be at that stage, and honestly she's dated like a normal human being, just like you and me. And I, in the meantime, find myself being jealous of her. Kyun? I knew I have too much time, and I'm not using the same time to be more productive with creating content, with pushing out content, producing more content. I tell myself, Aditi, it's okay. I'm only human. Wherever I turned, especially that week on social media, I just found Taylor Swift here and Taylor Swift there and here and then everywhere. बट रियल क्वेश्चन है, इसमें उसका क्या गलती है, इसमें टेलर स्विफ्ट का क्या गलती है, राइट? वो थोड़ी कैमरा मैन है, वो थोड़ी कैमरा उस पर फोकस कर रही है, खुद पे फोकस कर रही है, नहीं ना. लाइक कैमरा इज एवरीवेयर एंड दे आर पिकिंग अप एंड एवरीबडी नोस उसका वैल्यू क्या है, टेलर स्विफ्ट का वैल्यू क्या है. एंड इस पर तो ट्रेवर नोवा ने जोक भी मारा था कि वो जब चल रही थी अवार्ड शो में तो ही लिटरली सेड कि वो जो टेबल के आसपास घूम रही है वो टेबल की वैल्यू सब बढ़ गई है. एंड वी ऑल नो ही वॉज सो राइट अबाउट इट. लाइक वी न्यू दैट. ओके, एनीवेज, I think I have the courage to say this, to watch her, to be herself, and to be happy somewhere made me feel jealous. It's me. I mean, it's my issue. It's my issue, and probably a lot of other people's issue too. People who've got no life and are sad and miserable in their own life. I've seen so many people questioning on social media, why is she getting so much screen time? Why is she everywhere? We are so sick of her. Why does she keep getting picked up by the cameraman? What is going on? For that, I have to partially agree and disagree. She may be everywhere, but I also want to say this. How the fuck are we consuming so much content? How do we have so much time? How am I not focusing on producing more and consuming less? मैं खुद की miserable life पे focus क्यों नहीं कर रही हूँ? How am I, trying to not focus on bettering my life instead of being jealous of somebody? Why am I not taking her and looking at her as inspiration? She's always been an inspiration for every single woman I know in my life. Why am I suddenly jealous? What is it? I think the other part of the challenge is being so open and vocal about her relationship with Travis. I don't know about you guys, but I've never seen her so out and open in her previous relationship. Like, she's an icon, she's a legend. Of course cameras will follow her wherever she goes, but uske sab previous relationships were very hushed. Like, I barely saw any of the previous relationship the guys were out and about with her. I've never seen that happen. In a way, for the first time, I felt inspired to see how open she was to love. Like, you really have to work through all the years of trauma and heal from the past relationship and still have the courage to get back up and start over and do it all again. And that too, usme limelight mein wo bhi, like, I don't know, how does she do it? Like, how does she do it? Like, fall in love, fall out of love, heal, get back to finding love. Ye jo, just in general, not just her, but in general, how do people do it? Travis is I believe, a country boy. Yes ma'am, opening door, pulling chair, getting up if someone leaves, and I'm all here for it. I love all that respect and like that country boy aesthetic. I just simply, the chivalry side of things, it just makes my heart melt. And I've truly believe and feel every one of us, all of us ladies, deserve all the chivalry that we can get, and we deserve it, babies. We deserve it. We are all the queens in our own version, in our own lives, in our own stories. We deserve all the love and money and peace and safety. But we've forgotten that, maybe I've forgotten that, if you are listening to this podcast, we all have it already. Like, we maybe just need to be more aware about it and express some gratitude कि हमारे पास, हमें जो चाहिए वो already है, just हमें वो दिख नहीं रहा है या सामने है, but हम grateful नहीं है उसके बारे में. So just taking one moment to appreciate this podcast, this microphone, my laptop, my script, my brain, my heart, everything. Watching a successful person does make me feel inspired, but it also makes me feel like I lack somewhere in myself. Kuch kami hai mere mein. Like, there is this big, black, ugly hole that might consume me if I simply focus on the kamtarta, on the lack thereof mentality. I also want to remind myself it is a lot of hard work and talent. It does take a lot of that. Both of these people, Taylor and Travis, are good at what they do, and they truly have harnessed this power over time with a lot of patience and a lot of practice and consistency. Any form of art needs consistency, practice, and showing up, and they've done nothing with that. There's another side to this coin which I did not even think about until I came across this video recently on my Instagram calling me sexist. Not me specifically, but the people who are hating on Taylor Swift and Travis Kelce, and just that situation where Taylor Swift is everywhere. These two ladies, they are incredible. They called out people to get a life and stop being sexist, which I felt somewhere deep down to be, truthful. Like, I started questioning, am I being sexist by only addressing that Taylor is everywhere and supporting Travis, while not addressing that Travis is also everywhere? Lol, oh my god. Maybe I am. Travis is everywhere. Let's just address this. I'm not sexist. I love Taylor Swift. Oh my god. Travis is everywhere too, supporting Taylor Swift. We love a supportive king, showing up at all of her shows, meeting her, hugging her. I'm all for that. I need to get a life. That's what I need to do. Move the fuck on. I have to remind myself she's a fucking star. She's a fucking billionaire. She's a star. What the fuck is this comparison? Where is this jealousy coming from? What? I need to focus on getting my podcast better. So, anyways, and Taylor has literally put their American football on the map, put Travis Kelce on the map. Uska value बढ़ गया है Travis Kelce का literally market में, and now a lot of people like me and you probably know who he is and who his brother is, and वो brother की wife कौन है, और वो Tinder पे मिले थे, और Travis कैसे मिला Taylor को, and like Taylor put this guy on the map. It's as simple as that. I never watched American football, but I might just tune in. Even post the Super Bowl, I might just think about tuning in and watching the highlights of the show कि वो कैसे जीता, right? Yeah. Damn, that's powerful shit right there. Anyways, I appreciate you hearing me out and my feelings today. This is Aditi, and this was my March Marathon episode. I'll see you tomorrow, 7 p.m. Thank you. Bye.